Hello guys, today we're with another Are you serious? It's gonna interrupt my intro like that? Wow. Today we're with another video and we're in, what's it called again? Bubblegum Simulator, yeah? You stop please. And we were just gonna play and like it's fun. So I saw their new hats. So I thought why not just equip it? How much it gives us? I don't really know. Because it just came out and like I'm gonna go to the highest. The Iceland is over here. Okay. I was about to record with. Oh, she was with me. Um, I already started. Okay, so we're just gonna run like the that intro you just saw. It was my first intro. I tried to like put it in and stuff, but it didn't work. So I just had to put it in that way. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was my first time. And hopefully you guys will have me not banned from my me making intros. Please don't, because like I enjoyed making it. It was pretty fun. I will just do something real quick that I wanted to do. That we're gonna get 100. Stop! We're gonna get 100 rebirths. So let's just do that real quick. That just cost all my money, but we got a lot of rebirth tokens, so now we can buy another crate. 1.2 billion. Okay. A golden Robloxian, and we got a rainbow shaggy. Oh, let's see how good it is. Let's see close. The super rich. Well, it's good. And this, wow, that's good. These are good things. Oh my god, they are like, they're pretty good. What? Wait, is this gonna make me really good? Oh, thanks for the information, GR something. Let's just wait it. Like I got the golden Roboxy on my head, and that is really funny because like I will be a successful YouTuber hopefully and win the golden Robloxian. But I don't know because like I'm still a newbie, so okay, please sub to me. And sub to PewDiePie. Because who doesn't sub to PewDiePie? Oh wait, Discord. Let's just don't copy my Discord, please. The leg. I'm just not gonna respond to it. She can die. I'm doing something very easy. Cool slash D. Let's just let's just grab a lot of coins and see how I am number one on this server. Nice. I just equipped my magnet and my backpack is already full. Wow. I'm walking with a golden Robloxian on my head. What? Oh no, I went to the wrong one. No. 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 Now I have to do it all over again? Guys, where you near spawn. Okay, we can do this. We will rock you. We will rock you. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Stop. come to that spawn, and I will have you get free monies. And Nancy, your channel will be down in the link below. I forget to edit my videos always because I don't have time because I spend a lot of time with my family and friends. So that's why I forget to edit my videos. I'll edit my video soon. I don't know when I'll do it today. I'll do it like in the evening or something. I don't know. So we're just gonna collect these coins. It's pretty laggy right now. But my yes. Okay, we're gonna sell our thing. How much? What's that's uh, good good uh. Yes, can I finally get? It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this game. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna have the $425 billion crate. Oh no, but we're first just gonna. I have hats of 1, 2, 3, some. Same. I'm richer than a bitch. Oh, sorry. This is my family friendly channel where I try not to swear. Super rich. Unequip. Equip. Well, I look hot. I look hot. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have so much coins. Look at all these coins. I'm richer than a dog. A dog could ever. I'm richer than the richest person could ever be. I think nobody has that much money as I do. But you know, well, I'll give it to the homeless people because, like, they deserve a good life too. Not only you. Well, that rhymes because I'm a good timer. Oh my god. We had like tests today. Oh, lag. We had like tests today, and it's pretty hard. Well, we have a lot of tests this week because like it's Ceto, and that gives me my daily nutrients. No, anyway, I'll just like it's just it sucks. It sucks. It the test. It's like how much money do you guys have? Um, not that much. It's 2.1 T. Oh. Like, why am I the only one that keeps getting lag? Oh. He's like, what the? Oh, I got 1,000 rebirths. What? Yay. I mean, like, wow. 1E is 1,000 P. XD. Um, I think Nancy is dead. She looks dead. How long am I recording for? Wait, 1 second. I can't see my recording time. Well, oh no, that's private. Can I please see my recording time? Oh, 9 minutes. Okay. I'll just stop like at like 12 minutes or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna do one more run and then I'll end the video. I'm sorry guys, it wasn't a long video, but I'm sure I'll buy premium videos soon. I think. I don't know, YouTube is my best spot because like I don't have that much subscribers. So please subscribe to me. I keep hearing these lags things and they. Okay, let's just making my way downtown, walking. No, I'm not gonna get copyrighted. The first day of my freaking YouTube. Nope, no. I wanted to see how much things I could. Oh, 20 point. I bought that best magnet. Same. Oh, that's gonna take a lot. Bixby Galaxy Rebirth. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'll just dance for you. Okay, guys, see ya. Bye.